Hi everyone. Welcome to AI Crusaders. Yes friends, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to create a new drive on Windows 11 or Windows 10. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, you will have to right click on my PC. From this, you have to select Manage, and as soon as you click on it, another window will open in front of you. Like this, where below, all you will see is this option. Storage. And under it, you will see Disk Management, and as soon as you click on it, you will see the hard disk partition of your computer here. Here, you can see only one partition, maybe 237 GBs. Depending upon the storage of your device. If I go to my computer and show you, then here also you can see only one drive, only C drive, that means 237 gigabytes. But there is no partition etc. So in this, we have to create a partition. Now friends, if you do not see your hard disk with this or it seems complicated, then it is very simple. You have to right click on this C drive and here you will see this option, Shrink Volume. And as soon as you click on it, it may take some time, here, and you will see this option, and this option will be very important for you because here you can see the first one that you are seeing is enter the amount of space shrink in MB. This is what will be the size of your new partition, and the one below is how much will be your C drive. So if you increase the upper one, then the lower one will automatically decrease. Hence the one below is your C drive. So how much C drive you want to keep will depend on you. So if you increase the upper one, then C drive will automatically decrease. So enter the amount as per your choice or according to your computer device storage. After this, you will have to click on Shrink. Now you can see here the unallocated space. Right-click on this black bar. And click on New Simple Volume. Now, you have to click on Next here, and here you do not have to do anything. Then simply you have to click on Next here, and now by going here, you can also select the letter of the new partition that has been created. So I already have a C drive here. So I have to choose D now. Like this, you will choose the letter of your new drive. Then Next, and here you do not have to do anything. Then Next, finished, and now I would like to show you by going to my computer. And here you can see that my D drive has been successfully created and is ready here. It is 29 GBs. It was all about today. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends. For more amazing AI content and tips like this, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, so that you can never miss an update. Your support means a lot to us. I will see you in another video. Until then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.